Hi everyone. Today I am going to show how to connect the FRD device with the magnetic lock through the relay and also the push button. So first I am going to give the connection to the FRD device. So here you can see I already connected here. So actually this port will go here. You can see here NO, COM, NC. Actually I connected the brown cable to the NO and the white cable to common. So I connected here and I am going to connect the brown cable to the push and the ground to the white to the ground. The brown to the push, the white to the ground. At the same time, I am going to connect the push button because anywhere you can connect, because there is no option like common or NO. So you can connect together with this.
Position in circle. Position in circle.
So I connected the ground NO to the push and common to the ground and also the push button together. Now I am going to connect the magnetic lock. I take here the orange color as a positive. V plus and V minus is there. You can see there.
Position in circle.
There you can see V plus and V minus, yes. So I am going to connect the orange to the V plus and the white to the V minus.
Position in circle.
Now I am going to connect the orange here in the relay.
Position in circle.
Common minus. I am going to connect the white one.
Position in circle. In circle.
And in the NC plus I am going to connect orange.
Position in circle.
Okay, once I connect this, you can see here there is a red light. Actually now it is closed, the magnetic lock. If I press the push button, I can take the magnet and there is a second. Now the door is open, that's why there is a green light. Okay, now we tested the push button. Now we are going to test in the FRD device.
Position in circle. Access allowed. Access allowed.
Open.
Access allowed. Position in circle.
Closed.
Normal temperature. Normal temperature. Access allowed.
See, now it's open.
Access allowed.
Okay, now I am removing the mask.
No mask.
So no mask, so the magnetic lock will never open because the device is not giving the access to the magnet.
No mask.
Now I am again wearing the mask.
Position in circle. Access allowed.
See, now it's open.
Access allowed.
So the device is working successful with the magnetic lock.
Position in